Hi, welcome to Make Space, where you can create COVID-19 vaccine campaigns to protect your community. My name is Gerardo Reyes from the Coalition of Immokalee Workers in Florida. We're a farm worker organization fighting for dignity, respect, and better wages. And in times of COVID, we've been organizing and collaborating in these efforts too. Last year has taken a toll on all of us. We miss our families, our friends. We face disruptions in work, and our future has been uncertain for far too long. But with the COVID-19 vaccine, I feel hopeful that we can unite as a community to protect one another and find better days ahead of us. I know many people are unsure about taking the COVID-19 vaccine. There's a lot of misinformation out there. Many in my community have had trouble finding the right information in their own language that is tailored to their situations and that is accessible for those without technology. The COVID-19 vaccine represents hope, but it also feels far away from many refugee, immigrant, and migrant communities, many of whom are doing essential jobs. So in partnership with IDEO.org, the University of Minnesota, and the CDC, 8 of our communities have created Make Space to increase vaccine confidence in your community. We know a one-size-fits-all is not an approach that's gonna address in the correct form the challenges across the diversity of communities. So we are making the space, literally, for all of us to build what is needed in the different communities at this moment. You'll find ready-to-download materials in different languages and templates to quickly customize your own materials. This is a community-led approach to public health messaging, where people like me are at the table as the decision makers and experts, because we know better what goes on in our own communities. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and put COVID-19 behind us so we can get all back to doing what we love the most, but also what we really desperately need, which is continue with our lives, supporting our families, and making sure that they are safe and protected. Let's go. Vamos, compañeros.